All right, good afternoon, my beautiful followers, and welcome to today's class. Yesterday, we went through this automatic changeover switch with 3 different power sources, which are solar, mains, and generator. And we were able to operate it that when this one is on and mains is restored, it will immediately cut off this one, delay for some seconds, and energize this one. If this one is on and solar is up and active, it will disconnect this one instantly and delay for some seconds before it energizes this one. If this one is on and solar is restored and active, it's supposed to disconnect this one instantly and delay for some seconds before energizing this one. But I noticed that when this one is on and solar is restored and active, this one does not cut off instantly. It delays alongside this one. After that delay, I noticed that this one cuts off while this one gets energized, which is not what we want to achieve. What we want to achieve is that when this one is on and solar is up and active, this one should cut off immediately while this one delays for some seconds and energizes. So, what are we going to do about it? Let us take it again. When this one is on, we put it on, like generator is on. After this delay, it is going to close. It's going to energize. And then we have power on the load. And when this one is active, when this one is restored, we put this one on. It cuts off this one immediately. And then after the delay, it connects this one. All right? And when this one is on, this way, it cuts off this one immediately and delays for some seconds and connects this one. And then when this one is on, so let us put off everything. Now that everything is off, let's say this one is on. Let's wait for the delay. Now it is on. If this one is up and active, if solar is up and active, we expect that this one will cut off immediately and this one delays for some seconds and then energizes. But that is not the case here. Let us energize this one. Let us activate solar by putting on this one. You see, this one's supposed to trip immediately, but it won't until after the delay here. This is not what we want. We want this one to cut off immediately mains is restored. Let us put it off again. You see, this one is up. This one is activated. All right? Now, this one, when we put on this one, meaning that solar is up and active, if we put on this one, what we want is for this one to cut off. It's supposed to disconnect from the load immediately, while this one will connect after some seconds delay. Let me reduce this time, it takes so long. After some seconds delay, this one should be able to close. But it's not working that way. Now, solar is up and active. You see? So it was after the delay only that this one de-energized. So how are we going to solve the problem? We need to add one more relay here. So that relay will do the job of disconnecting this one immediately. Power is present at the solar side. So let us add a relay here. Of course, why we are using a relay is because we don't need any form of delay. We don't need a timer again. This 3 is enough for this 3. All right. So what do? Let us install or mount the base for the relay. Of course, we are going to make use of this relay. You remember this relay? We treated this relay in one of our classes. All right. And of course, we are going to make use of the same base as that of our timers. So this base is what we're going to use, just the same base that we have here. So to install the base, we carefully put it in here and then it latches. All right. So you install this relay exactly the same way you install the timers, just like that. You plug it in. So let us switch off power from here and do our wiring. Okay, so I'm going to take this one off. So what we want to achieve is that immediately power is restored. Of course, you know, this particular timer takes care of this guy. So immediately power is up and active on solar, there is power here. So we're going to take that power here to energize the coil of this relay so that it will disconnect this one immediately while this delay is going on. Do you understand? If you don't understand, you ask question in the comment section. So to do that, let us connect our power. Remember, pin 7 is the live wire. So we're going to take the live from here. Take the live from here. And then it goes to the live here. Let me put this wire away. Okay, we're going to put it here on this one. Goes in and you sort it out. Then neutral. I'm going to take it again from here, insert and lock it. Lockout, insert and lock it. All right, now we have some contacts on this guy. Okay, let me see if we can adjust this a bit. Right, so the same thing. This is common. This is pin 8, this is pin 5, this is pin 6. All right, we're going to make use of pin 8 and of course pin 5. They are normally closed. All right, so this one will be on. This particular contactor will be on. Immediately power comes here, this normally closed will open, and then it will de-energize this one, and this one delays after the delay time that is set on this timer, and then it will energize. So what we're going to do is we're going to locate the coil, the wire to this coil, and then we use it. This one comes here all the way to here, and this is what it is. So this is the wire to the coil of this one. So let us try it if this is going to give us what we want. All right, so let me cut it here, and let me strip it here, and let me strip this one here. So this one goes here at pin 8, which is the common, and this one goes to pin 5, which is the normally closed. Okay, our wiring is complete. So we now insert back this timer. All right, insert back the timer, and then we plug in our relay. So let us test again. I'm going to reposition this guy. Okay, this is what we have. So let us start with this one. We energize and we wait for the delay time, and this one is activated, so we have power. Let us energize this one. This one has disconnected instantly, and this one has made after the delay. Let us activate this one. This one has disconnected, and this one will connect after the delay. All right, so let us put everything off, and then we'll put on this one alone, and we'll wait for it. Now it is active. Let us put on this one and see if it works for us. All right, it has disconnected, and this one is waiting. That is it. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section or send me a private message. And of course, if you like this video, let me know as well in the comment section, and continue to follow me for more tips on power. Thank you very much.